Hi YouTube. Today I'm going to be singing Two Birds by Charity Vance. And before we continue, that is my older brother Ian. Look at the game. That's him. That's him. Okay. We sit like two birds in a house on the corner 6th and 8th. I've gotta say, hey, who would have thought that we'd be intertwined and quite the same? We are the only game I wanna play today and tomorrow. Those flowers blooming all the same, the grass gets greener every day. In our place, I'll visit every Wednesday, our imaginary day. Boy, I'll see you soon. You'll stare all over me. It whispers into my ear and overwhelms all the fears. You speak so sweet. You'll get the equal years. Drop on back to maybe here. Won't we, dear? Everywhere you should there. Close my eyes and taste the air. Flowers blooming all the same. The grass gets greener every day. In our place, we'll visit every Wednesday. Our imaginary hay. Boy, I'll see you soon. We'll stare over me. Sometimes I'm happy, though always with you. Oh no, this beat was happy that the ladies love to finish the thank you. Flowers blooming all the same, the grass gets greener every day. In our place, I'll visit every Wednesday, our imaginary hay. Boy, I'll see you soon. We'll scare all of me and you. We sit like two birds in a house on corner 6th and 8th. I gotta say, I love that song. So yeah, he says that is awesome. So that was me singing Charity Vance's, I don't know how to say that. Charity Vance, Two Birds. I hope you can, I don't know what I hope. I hope you enjoyed and watch my videos. Bye.